Now students, as today we have completed the topic treatment of goodwill in the chapter retirement of a partner, there is a video related to the same topic. It is given that there are two types of goodwill. Goodwill appear in the books and value of goodwill. How you can find that this is the goodwill appear in the book? This goodwill is given in the asset side of the balance sheet, and this is divided among all the partners in the old ratio. Keep this in your mind that when the goodwill appears in the book, this type of goodwill is given in the asset side of the balance sheet, and the journal entry of the same that you have to divide the overall goodwill among all the partners including retired partner, means all the partners, all partner के बीच में आपको ये goodwill divide कर देनी है. That is in the old ratio. किस ratio में divide कर देनी है? Old ratio में आपको ये goodwill divide कर देनी है. Value of the goodwill is given. This information is given always in the additional information. ये आपको हमेशा additional information में इसकी information मिलेगी. In this, the retired partner share is divided among gaining partners in the gaining ratio. ये जो goodwill है, हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें से जो retired partner का share होगा वो हम calculate करेंगे और जो partners gain कर रहे होंगे उनके बीच में divide कर देंगे. Journal entry for the same. Gaining partners capital oblique current account debit to sacrifice partner to retired partner. If at the time of calculating gaining ratio any old partner or the remaining partner is sacrificed, then his share is also get credited over here. So that's why the entry is there, that is gaining partner to sacrifice to retired partner. Let's start with some of the examples. As today we have done one example that is related to question number 13. Sunil, Shahid and David are three partners. They are sharing in the ratio of 4:3:2. Goodwill valued at the time of Shahid's retirement. It means that Shahid want to retire from the firm. At the time of Shahid's retirement, the goodwill is valued at 72,000. And now the Sunil and David in future want to share the profit in the ratio of 5:3. Means old ratio is given to you, that is 4:3:2, and new ratio is given, that is 5:3. When new ratio is given in the question, at that time there is a need to calculate the gaining ratio. अगर क्वेश्चन में न्यू रेशियो गिवन ही ना हो कि किस रेशियो में जो ओल्ड पार्टनर्स हैं शेयर करेंगे, एट दैट टाइम वी विल ट्रीट द रिमेनिंग रेशियो इज द न्यू रेशियो और द गेनिंग रेशियो. नाउ in this, firstly we will calculate the gaining ratio. Now it is given that Sunil gains, that is formula for the same is new ratio minus old ratio. Sunil gain 5/8, that is the new ratio, minus 4/9 old ratio. Make the denominator same, 72. 45 minus 32 equals to 13/72. Now for the debit gain, that is 3/8 new ratio, 2/9 old ratio equals to 11/72. This shows the gaining ratio between the Sunil and David is 13/12. Now calculate the Shahid share, 72,000 into 3/9 equals to 24,000. Divide the same among Sunil and David, 13,000 and 11,000. So entry for the same, that gaining partner to retired partner, Sunil capital account, David capital account to Shahid capital account. Like this you have to treat the goodwill in case of retirement of partner.